friends, it's Jade from Sweet Softies here. Today I have with me little ELIORA the Elf. She's my newest Amigurumi doll design, and as you can see, she is dressed from head to toe, and I'd love to go ahead and show you the interesting details that I have designed into her today. And stick around for this pattern preview to see the different accessories and things that she has too. Alright, so let's get started. ELIORA has a couple different accessories that she's able to put on and take off. The first of which is this little hooded capelet. As you can see, it has a little point in the back, like the little pixie hoods that I've made. And you can go ahead and pull it off for a hooded look like this. Or you can keep it on her head, keep her nice and cozy. And this hood is actually made completely in one piece. There's no sewing involved. And you're working from the hood part to the capelet, and you're finishing off with a little button strap and details around the hood to make it look neat. With the button strap, you detach it like this, and you can open it up. And so let me go ahead and take this off now so you can see more of her details. ELIORA the Elf has little pointy elf ears that just got crumpled up with the hood, so let me straighten them a little bit. And I love that her hair is made using the hair tutorial I have on my channel. I'll go ahead and link that in the description box, but it's my go-to hair method for having long hair on my dolls and basically having hair over their entire scalp. So I gave her a little braid as well, and you are welcome to do whatever you'd like, style her hair however you'd like. I also sewed some bangs to her, the forehead area here, just a little bit, because I didn't like her forehead looking too large, because I wanted her to have some bangs poking out from the hood. And anyhow, let's go over her second accessory. This is her little crossbody bag. It has a matching button with the hood. And the crossbody bag is circular. It has some width to it as well, so you can go ahead and stick a few things in. The crossbody bag is actually made with minimal sewing. All you're doing is sewing one end of it to the other piece, and you're crocheting the rest of it in one piece. So the straps are just directly crocheted on, for example. And here with ELIORA, you can see that she has kind of like this mock fair isle design going on here. You can check out my pattern to see the different color changes you can do. And I have some little upside down heart-shaped color changes here on the torso area. She's wearing a long-sleeved dress. The dress skirt part here, it kind of fans out. And I also have a slip stitch, surface slip stitch technique used to create a nice little neat trim between her top and her dress skirt. Her, excuse me, I'm lifting underneath, but as you can see, she has underwear colored yarn, underwear colored color changes here. So that goes under the dress skirt. And she also has socks here with a little cuff, and her boots also have cuffs as well. Her laces are just stitched on, sewn on, and I went ahead and knotted the ends here. You can actually tie it into a bow if you want and knot it off, but I kind of wanted to have this loose feel to it. All right. So that's ELIORA. Thank you so much for tuning in and checking out her pattern. She is one of my few paid patterns on my in my store. So go ahead and check that out if you'd like. Thank you so much for supporting Sweet Softies. I know I share mostly free patterns, but ELIORA's pattern took me a very, very long time to write. Her design is a lot more detailed and intricate than my other doll designs. And so if you would like to purchase her pattern, it is on my Ravelry and Etsy, and that would go towards supporting my small business for designing more patterns, hopefully a lot more free patterns in the future, and goes towards material costs as well. All right, so thank you so much for watching and hope you have a happy time crafting. Bye now.